So thanks for joining me for another Airbrush Asylum video. In this video, I'm going to show you some students in action during our level 1 and level 2 airbrushing classes that were held on the 16th and the 17th of November in 2019. We're going to start off with the level 1 class, and I'm going to show you from the point where they've just finished all their dots and lines and dagger strokes and all that sort of basic training, and they've done one special effect, and now I pick the video up straight from when they're starting their space scene. So let's get into that right now.
Bubble!
That's all right.
Let me get a thing. Let me do this.
I love it.
That should be sealed.
Like this. Okay, and pull back. Pull back on the paint. That's where you're going wrong.
That's where.
So, yeah.
Let's have another go.
Let's go.
Look at that. Yeah, baby. Look at that.
Awesome. Cool. Nice work, mate. Look at yours. Distant space. It's a black hole.
Oh, look at that, Carson.
Fantastic. It's amazing.
Move it around a bit.
Yeah.
How's that look?
Wonder who taught you that.
I know, and he's such a nice fella as well. He's a top bloke.
And you haven't used
when I'm not taking his ink.
Yeah. She's used about 3 litres of paint already. It's crazy. You know I could paint a mural with 3 cups of it.
Yeah.
What you're using.
I know.
And you haven't been able to do half a t-shirt with about 20 cups. Just saying. It's an excellent, mate. Really good.
And then I'm wondering why it's not spraying. I need to find out. There's nothing in the paint.
Yeah, that'll do that. If you don't have paint, it won't work. Yeah. Amazing. Oh, he's missing a tooth. You're going to make that a gold tooth?
I'm going to make it 2, I think. I think I'm going to knock the other one out too.
Good stuff. I love it. You did well, mate. That looks fantastic. That top area looks really good.
Thank you.
That's cool. I like it. I like it.
I think I'm going to go there.
Yeah, just give it a light dusting, and then yeah, you can go to the next tone. Fantastic. Good work, Richard. So now that you've checked out what our level 1 students were achieving on their first day of airbrushing, we go straight into our level 2 workshop. This workshop's designed for anyone that's completed our level 1 class or has done an airbrush class elsewhere, so has completed basic training. And you can pick what you want to work on, and students bring all different projects in. So let's go take a look at what students worked on right now. I'll film you cleaning, Frank.
Sorry?
I'll film you cleaning.
Oh, thanks, Carsten.
Action shot, you see?
That's it.
Too. Fantastic. Look at that. Nice.
I like the texturing.
Excellent.
Okay, and then you just drag them out.
And then a little bit with the eraser,
Yeah,
pull it
oh,
out.
it's come out well.
But I think a little bit of shade, like the eyeball,
Yep.
touches of the eyeball, like a
Yeah,
ball, rather than
yeah,
flat.
yeah.
Dropping on the photograph, it comes back as flat.
It does, you're right. Yeah. Yeah. No. So do you have to spray it to fix it? You want to think of your friend tissue on photo.
Sprayed it,
Okay.
and that gave me the basic shape, but
Yep.
then afterwards I went back with a solid black and a brush.
It's good.
Oh, it's great. Very good, isn't it?
Yeah, he's done a great job.
It's just got more life to it than this
First
one.
ever
I think it's a colour.
First ever attempt doing anything like that. Really good.
It's got more life to it, the eye.
Mm.
It's great. Oh,
Just transparent blacks, it's good. So I do hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you are interested in doing one of our classes, then jump in the description below. I'll have some links to our courses page from our website, and by all means, if you have any other questions, leave them in the comments below or send us an email, whatever works best for you. Until next time, go grab your airbrush, do some amazing artwork yourself, and go check out one of these other videos that should be around here somewhere, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye for now.